Hey everyone, welcome to Project Melanin Beauty. My name is Nicole Webster and I am your host. I created Project Melanin Beauty to empower black women and girls to feel beautiful and confident in their skin and to define beauty by their own standards. In celebration of Black History Month, I'll be featuring 28 beautiful black women releasing one makeover video every day of the month to bring you easy, gorgeous makeup tutorials and a little inspiration as we celebrate the magic in our melanin. Stay tuned to hear what these beautiful ladies have to say about beauty, confidence, and being a black woman. This is my girl Ray giving us purple eyes, guys. Love it. So to start off for a look, of course, we're going in with foundation, and I'm using our HD Liquid Foundation to really even out her skin tone. And I noticed that she has a little bit of discoloration around the mouth, so I wanted to go in with an orange corrector. So I'm applying that, and then I'm going to reapply some foundation to cover that corrector. You know what time it is, guys. It's time to highlight. It's time to conceal. So I'm applying a lighter foundation, of course, under her eyes, on her forehead, down the bridge of her nose, all in the highlighted areas. And then I'm going to use my Real Technique sponge to blend that out. So now I'm going in with a lighter powder and I'm applying it with a damp beauty blender sponge, or Real Technique sponge I should say, and I'm applying that to the highlighted areas. And then I'm going to go in with a powder that matches her complexion and finish setting her makeup using a large fluffy brush. Alright, so I decided that I want to bronze her skin instead of contouring this time. So I am using our bronzer in Golden Goddess to really add some warmth to her complexion. Moving on to brows. Ray has really nice brows, so she didn't need much work there. I just filled in the sparse areas using our brow pencil in Brunette. And then I'm going to set that with our brow mascara in shade number 31. Moving on to eyes, we are going for a brown eye with a pop of gold, a really shimmery eyeshadow. And I'm just applying that brown all over the lid, and then we're going to pop some gold right on top of that. Now, of course, we're moving on to some liner with our gel liner in black Caviar. And I'm applying that to the upper lash line as well as the waterline to really define her eyes and bring out the purple in her eyes. Gorgeous! Now I'm bringing that brown shadow down to the lower lash line to define her eyes some more and to sort of smoke out her eye a bit. And then we're going to finish off the look with some mascara. Now for a pop of color on her cheeks, I'm using one of my favorite blushes. It's a really pretty mauve brownish blush. Absolutely love it. And lastly, for her look, we are applying On the Rocks, a really pretty lavender lipstick that complements this makeup look really nicely. There it is, guys. Doesn't Ray look so beautiful? I love this look. It's so fresh, so pretty, and it's great for any occasion.
Wow. I look good. I love it. It's wow. Wow, Nicole. No, but like legit, I've never looked like this before. clean up nice. What makes me confident is being able to always change and evolve who I am, whether it's with different colors, different hairstyles, any aspect of that. But at the end of it, my black skin is always going to be the focus, and everything else is just additional dressing. I guess what I love most about being a black woman is this is the only experience that I've ever had. So this is my truth, this is who I know myself to be, and all I can be is the best version of myself. It has its good, it has its bad, but I wouldn't trade it for anything because I love who I am as a person. What I would tell my 12-year-old self is that this is just the beginning. Where you are now and how you look and the things you feel and the things you're experiencing now, it's just the beginning. Things will always change. There's so much more to life. It might not work out the way that you think it will, but the journey in itself is empowering and an amazing ride that you wouldn't experience if you didn't let yourself. So be forgiving and know that it's not the end of the world.